In this session I'm going to explain the flag option. The flag option is a very, very handy feature. If you've made a mistake on a debtor's account, you've made the mistake, so now you had to do a correction, which means you've got two transactions on your debtor statement that is actually incorrect. So I've made a mistake, I've done the correction, and then I've processed the correct transaction. So these two extra transactions is now going to display on the statement of the debtor. But what you can do is you can actually hide those transactions. You can flag them. Those two transactions that you flag will still have an influence, but they just will not show. These two transactions will show everywhere else on all your other reports. Let me show you how we can do this. I'll click on the first line and I'll click on flag. You will then see it puts a little tilde sign in front of the reference of that transaction. Then I'm going to click my second line and I'm going to flag that. Always remember, you have to flag a debit and a credit. Otherwise, when you get to your statement, your running balance on the side and your total at the bottom will not be the same. So always make sure that if you do use the flag option, that you flag both correction transactions. The mistake and the correction has to be flagged together, and then you will then your total and your running balance on your statement will be correct. And that concludes explaining the flag option under Debtors Enquiries.